Hi there! Welcome to Hadley's Kitchen. Today, let's make some ribs in our Instant Pot. First things first, you want to take them and give them a rinse. Get some cold water, take them out of your pack and put them on a cutting board with some paper towels. Now I'm using some chili powder and some Famous Dave's Rib Rub. Pat dry your ribs so they're not too wet. Get rid of your paper towel and coat both sides with your seasoning. You want to get a lot on there. Okay, and work that into the meat. Now that my ribs are ready, I can go ahead and get them in the Instant Pot. You're going to want to take your metal rack and put it in the middle and arrange your ribs in a circle around the rack. If you can get your ribs to sit on the rack, that's best. But if you can't, just around it and leaning in on it is fine also. Now I'm going to do a cup of water in the middle and probably about a half a cup of Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce, also down the middle. And a quarter cup, a little around the ribs, can't hurt none. Okay, and finish with some more seasoning. Now the lid goes on. Set to seal and pressure cook for 20 minutes on high. I will then allow it to natural release for about 5 minutes, maybe 10, and then quick release the rest before I put them in the oven to finish. Ooh baby, look at them ribs. Those look good. Ooh, so tender. Those are gonna fall right out. You're gonna need 2 tongs maybe to get this out of here, or some heat-proof gloves. Now that you have your ribs out of the oven, or excuse me, out of the Instant Pot, coat them in your favorite sauce on both sides and stick them into the broiler for about 5 minutes on each side. These are so tender, I'm actually not able to flip them that well. So I'm gonna do about 7 to 10 minutes just on this top side and call it good. Let's look at these ribs. Ooh, got a nice bark on them. Hopefully they're not burnt. Looking delicious. Here's a piece off the top. It's good. It's not burnt. It's good. Bon appetit. Well.